Hey guys, welcome back. Now I will be showing you one of the Tsonga dishes. Back in the days, it was our grandparents' favorite. We call it MAJENJE. In English, we call them termites. To get termites, we get them on termite holes, the big holes of termites. We use aloe in order for us to get the termites. We can only get the termites during the spring season and summer season. On autumn and winter, we can't get termites because by that time it's a little bit cold. So when it's a little bit hot or it's hot in their hole, it's easy for us to get them as they also want to come out. So we use aloe strings in order for us to get the termites in the holes. By then they can also bite you, like some people use plastics. They wear plastics in order for them to get termites in those holes. I will be showing you the ingredients that we use in order for us to cook termites. When our grannies get the termites, they will still be alive. Then when they get home on the stove, but then the heat, it shouldn't be that much. It shouldn't be that hot. It should be in the middle. So they kill the termites. After killing them, they wash them and make sure that there are no aloe strings that are on the termites that are being washed. So they put them on a separate plate. If the termites are so many, they put some of the termites in the fridge. But before putting some of the termites in the freezer, they first put salt. They put the termites in the freezer so that it freezes, and you can get it anytime. So we store them in the freezer for us to be able to get them during winter or autumn, the autumn season. So we put them in the freezer and store them there. So whenever you want to cook them, you just take them out from the freezer and then you put them somewhere so that the ice can come out. Then they will be ready to be cooked. Now I will be showing you our termites. MAJENJE, as you can see. Our MAJENJE, here they are. I know that so many people are afraid of termites, as you can see them, but then they are very nice when they are cooked. And when those ones, they still have the ice, as you can see. They still have the ice. They are from the freezer. And some people get the termites and then sell them to people. When they sell them on a packet like this, the packet will be full at 20 rand. It's 20 rand. It will be full like this. Then it's 20 rand. People are making a lot of money by getting this because like people from the cities, they don't get this, so they have to buy them from the people who will be selling them in the villages, and they go back with them at the cities and put it in the freezer again for them to eat. Now I will be showing you the ingredients that we use in order for us to cook our MAJENJE. Salt, but then it shouldn't be too much salt, and it depends on the amount of the termites that you will be cooking. Then we have tomatoes. You have to put some tomatoes in them. These are the tomatoes. Make sure that they are not raw tomatoes. They should be well done tomatoes. Then you put some cooking oil, and the cooking oil shouldn't be too much. But then you should be able to taste that there's a little bit of cooking oil, but then it shouldn't be too much. Then here are our thermites. Then you put your thermites. You fry them. You don't even put water. You just fry them. If you put water, it shouldn't be too much. It should be like little water, because you'll be frying your thermites. You're not boiling them. You're just frying them. There you are. These are the cooked thermites. As you can see, even the cooking oil is showing. These are the cooked thermites. The fried thermites. Alright, thank you guys for watching.